How to fix problems with hashtags not working on posts or appearing in hashtags. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix problems with hashtags on Instagram not working or posts not appearing in those hashtags. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you're a kind of person who use hashtags and you have a public account, and then you just try to post something with a few specific hashtags in this case, and then once you enter those hashtags, you notice that even after you go and search for that specific hashtag, you will not be able to find your video. Now, why is this? That is because if that hashtag has basically lots of competition, so you're not the only one who's posting in that hashtag, right? When somebody goes ahead and then just search for that hashtag, there are a lot of videos based on that search, because as you can see, and yours could not be there at all, because you could be going to recent or you could be going to reels, but yours will not appear. This is simply because a lot of competition. It's not that Instagram has shadow banned your account or anything. It is only because if it is a lot of competitive hashtags. So if you enter a unique hashtag that doesn't have a lot of competition, when people search for it, then they should be able to definitely find that specific hashtag, and then they will discover your video on it. So hope this video helped you clear your doubts as to how you can fix problems with hashtags not working or appearing in Instagram. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.